guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a very long time since I've sat and done a sit-down video with you guys. As you may know if you follow me on Instagram, which my handle will be right here, life has been super busy lately. I am swamped with work, and because of that, I've kind of neglected my upload schedule. So as of right now, I'm kind of just going to pop videos out whenever I can. I hope that's okay with you guys. And again, if you follow me on Instagram, you will be notified when that video is going to be uploaded. But today's video is actually really special and kind of important to me because it's all about self-care. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I prep for an event. This week particularly, I was prepping for a wedding. I went to my boyfriend's cousin's wedding and just wanted to make sure I looked my best before I arrived to the ceremony. So these are kind of the precautions and the steps I take, not only when I'm preparing for an event, but if I just want to feel my best in general. I really emphasize how important a self-care routine is. If you watched my last vlog, you guys know I've been seriously battling with some skin issues. Now, right now, my face does look pretty clear. I did just spot conceal and then put a little powder on. But these last couple months, I've really been suffering with some breakouts. I get a lot of random sporadic pimples. I've kind of had some like rash-like symptoms on my chin and on my forehead. And I've been trying my best to get rid of it. So skincare has been really crucial in my life right now because I'm really trying to cure pimples that are wanting to arise, especially before something that is going to require a lot of photos to be taken. So skincare is huge, and I am going to show you the mask that I use this week to kind of prep and plump my skin for the wedding. A really good way for me to unwind is a little bit of self-care. So I am having a glass of tea. This is the Honey Lavender Yogi Stress Relief Tea. And I figured I would tell you the quote on the back, which is, "You don't need love, you are the love." So I'm going to enjoy this. This is gonna help me relax and go to sleep hopefully soon. And then I'm also really excited to try this sheet mask by Perlise. This is their green tea and vitamin C brightening sheet mask, and it's supposed to moisturize and clarify. If you have not used a sheet mask before, that's what it looks like. It's kind of a funny, kind of comical thing to apply on your face, but this is supposed to brighten, leave your skin healthy, and it also helps fight free radicals, which will eventually improve your skin texture and then just create glowy skin. So you do need to cleanse your skin first, and then you let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes. And then I will pat in the serums, let that dry, and I will show you what I look like. I just had to show you guys, like, look at how saturated this sheet mask is, if you guys can see that. It is going to leave my skin feeling so good, so stay tuned. So my face absolutely drank up all of the serums. My mask has been on for an appropriate amount of time, and now I took it off and kind of patted my face lightly just so the serums would sink in. And as you can tell, my skin is just so glowy and vibrant, and I am so excited to see the results after continuously using these masks. So the second step in my self-care routine is working out. I cannot stress how important a workout routine is. Obviously, you're gonna feel toned, and it just generally makes you happy. So I love going to the gym, but I specifically love going to HIIT classes. So this was actually a class called Assault. So it's all lower body. Aaliyah and I went and we saw our favorite trainer, which is Nick. He teaches at Pure Life, so we went to his class, and let me show you a little bit about how we pumped our booty this week. When I am prepping for a special event or just want to feel good, that requires eating good. I like to focus on foods that are high in protein, low in refined sugars, definitely stuff that is not processed. I like to eat earthy greens and kind of make smoothies or some breakfast bowls or kind of whatever I feel like is going to nourish me and help me kind of propel through my day feeling my best. So definitely diet is key for internally feeling good as well. I do live in South Florida, but sometimes with my work schedule and just kind of with the weather in general, it can be really hard to get any vitamin D. So I'm a huge fan of self-tanning and I do that on the regular, but this week I did get a spray tan from Lux Med Spa. So I will insert a few of those clips and show you what my bronze tan looked like. Tan skin just helps me feel glowing, it helps me feel healthy, and again, if you don't actually want to do any UV rays, definitely opt for a organic spray tan or use your favorite self tanner. My favorite is Fake Bake Flawless, but I do have a new self tanner I'm about to try, so I'll keep you posted on what I think. Last but not least, nail care is everything. Now, this is not the color I have in the video, but I do get Next Gen on my nails. I'm pretty good about the 2-weeker. I do go about every 2 weeks or just when I feel like it needs to be touched up. Having your nails done makes you feel so polished and put together. So whether it's just you picking out your favorite polish and doing it at home or going to the nail salon, that really helps me feel beautiful and put together. I hope you guys enjoyed this little self-care / how I prep for an event vlog. Let me know what your favorite self-care routine tips and tricks are in the comments below, so hopefully we can all practice them in the future. And until my next video, I'll talk to you guys then. Bye. Mwah.